All right, you can get this from Dollar Tree. Okay.
Don't apply too much pressure.
So what?
Don't apply too much pressure to it.
All right, don't apply too much pressure. Alexa, pause.
Just gonna spill a little bit.
Because you poured all the way to the top.
Takes a little long, but once we finish the process is done, it's delicious. What's the cap at? Let me put the cap. Just in. More easier that way. Then when you finish it off, you can add some more to whatever you want to put in it.
What you gonna add to it today? You have any more nerves?
Nerves.
You already added. What you add those that time?
I don't know. I had no nerves.
It was some type of candy you added to it. Uh-oh, it's getting there.
Okay, I bought this Slushie maker cup as a gift for my daughter-in-law. My granddaughter loves, slushies and all that, so she must ask every day to buy one for them. So with this, she won't have to do it anymore. It comes with everything you need, including a little spoon here. The first thing you have to do after taking it out of the box is washing it. Then put it on the freezer around 4 hours. I have another one, so I know the drill. And after it's frozen, you put your favorite beverage in it and start squishing it like this. Just move it around like this all the way. And then you get your frozen beverage done. Very easy. Super nice. Great silicone material on the outer. It comes with this little lid to close it. It also comes with a little spoon that is a straw and also spoon. It depends on how frozen it is. You can